Hey everybody, welcome back. We're down here at the old chicken coop, getting ready to put some more posts in. We only have a little bit of time, so we're going to try to grab just a couple posts, put them in. We got to get going, but just trying to get some stuff done while we have time. Got to keep moving forward. Come along, let's see what happens. Man. Ooh, I'm in on it. Well, looks like we got a thunderstorm blowing in. I shut our little operation down here for the day. We'll see what happens. Okay, well today we didn't get a whole lot done because we didn't have that much time. But we got a few posts in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a sixth one over here. 6 posts in, very limited time. I'll show you that one right there. Got going on. So right now I gotta go feed the cows and then head home, get some supper, and maybe come back, do some more. Keep you posted. Like, subscribe, come on back. See you next time.